Hello, everyone. Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. So we have NEO update. You can see it broke below the lows from February. So those lows are all done for now. We're now going to do a pause. We're going to do a major level. You can see I just wanted, before I move this, it held down at the 67 area, came down, support back to rotation zone, and then broke lower. So these levels can now be projected. They can actually be projected from here, this little pause, to give us our major levels. And then I have some minor levels starting from these highs on the 9th back to this major low. And you see we paused there. 63 area, that's 63 was those levels. We're pausing there right now. Next level below there is 59.79, and then the major levels are 55.16 and 45.09. We'll be able to fine tune those as we get price action going lower. Again, still every time it goes into rotation zone, you just see further selling coming in. Let's check on the daily chart. Here's the daily chart. I mean, right now we're trading below the bottoms of these wicks, so this is not very positive for NEOs. Just sit on our hands. There's no reversal patterns yet. It broke even before the 8 came down to push price. So if we hit down to this next major 45 area, we had some dip buyers come in there at the end of December. So that was a key area that some dip buyers came in, so really watch for reversal patterns down there. At this 55 level, that's where the bodies were, so that might be the first area to start watching for, and then definitely this 45. So that's going to be key. And remember, if we get another pause, update your GAN levels, and it'll help fine-tune these levels on the way down. But again, sit on your hands. Nothing to rush into NEO. We don't have a high probability reversal pattern yet, so there's no trade to the long side. Okay, NEM, XEM, so it broke lower, came down to 75% level, back to the rotation zone you see here. Then we did a projection from these highs back on the 14th to these lows on the 15th with the 12 and 25% projections, which gave us another major cluster right at this 0.32 level, which we sliced right through, and the next major level down 0.29428. which we pretty much closed right on, dipped a little below, and now we're getting a reaction. We can now drag these levels down to here to watch for the next major levels. Keep in mind, we're retesting essentially the lows from the 7th. So that's before this took off to the upside, and now we're all the way back down there retesting those. On any rally back up, key resistance coming in about that 32 level again, and on a stronger rally, we'd be watching for about 34.48. Let's switch over to the daily chart and help us look at this. So you see the big run up now, nothing much. That 35 level on the daily chart, if we had a stronger rally, is where the 8's going to come in. So that's going to be very key resistance also on a daily basis. Let's check out, let me move this, scrunch this up. So again, to the downside, 0.2566 and then 0.2232. We go even to a weekly chart and just see where that looks like. Okay, so that would essentially take us back to price trading at the end of November if we got down to that 0.2232. Let me scrunch this up a little more. So that's going to come in right here, right where there was some minor resistance there. So that might be some minor support, and then we'll fine tune it. But below that, if we do continue down, major support is going to come in about 1766 area. Nothing yet to do on NEM, XEM. It did spike up, you can see, into the weekly rotation zone and then just collapsed back down. So that's our update for right now. When we get some more price action, we will update these charts again, or if we see a high probability reversal pattern, we will get it out as soon as we can. Talk to everyone soon. Thanks again for all the new subscribers, everybody who helped us get over 2,000 subscribers, and thanks for the likes and the comments. Bye for now.